In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front ball joint on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to remove the cotter pin out of the ball joint. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the ball joint nut. For the first turn or so, I'm going to be able to use the box end, but after that, I'm going to want to switch over because I'm going to end up with not enough space to get my wrench back. Once I have the nut broke free, I'll swap over to my open end part of the wrench, continue removing it. As of right now, my nut is totally unthreaded. It is just unable to come off because of the axle. Once we drop this ball joint, we'll be able to just pull it out through the bottom and not worry about touching the axle. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove the two nuts and one bolt out of the ball joint. Pull the control arm down. Pull the ball joint over to the side. Using a ball joint puller or a hammer, we're going to remove the ball joint. If you're using a hammer, we're going to hit on the side of this cup, and that should break the tension free on the ball joint and allow it to drop out. Remove the nut and the ball joint. Remove the new castle nut from the new ball joint. Install the ball joint into the vehicle. I'm going to put the nut on top, and then I'm going to push up on the stud and thread the nut down. I'm going to get this top nut as tight as I can by hand. Pull the ball joint over to the side. Pull the control arm down. Pull the ball joint over. Install the ball joint into the control arm. Get the nut started. I'm going to pull down on the top of the ball joint and install the bolt. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to snug down the two nuts and the bolt. Using a 21mm wrench, we're going to snug down the ball joint nut. While you're tightening this nut, you want to make sure that your stud is not spinning. Torque the ball joint nut to 90 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Once you've hit 90 foot-pounds, you can go up to an additional 60 degrees or until a slot in the castle nut matches a hole in the stud. Install the cotter pin. I'm going to chop some of the ends off of this because it's so long. Push it all the way through. I'm going to bend it around the castle nut. I'm going to chop this end off. Make sure this one's nice and tight. Torque the two nuts and one bolt to 55 foot-pounds. Install the wheel and get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. And we'll torque the wheel on the ground. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.